How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And the moment y'all been waiting for, the unboxing on the open road Chevy mini motorhome camper van. It is the AMT 125th scale camper van. Alright, as y'all know, George gifted me this and told me I must build it. And I said, yes sir, it will get done. And before I get to it though, y'all know I got a couple projects got to be finished up, but this will be on right after that. This is the third up. And before we get this video going, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I surely would not have a channel, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. And hey, it's free, guys. It's free. Subscribing is free. Hit the bell, whatever. You know, it helps me out. I'm not one of them channels that's ever going to ask you for money or a handout, guys. This is what it is. I just want y'all to enjoy the hobby. Pick up the hobby if you don't. Get you a model and give it a go. It's always been a fun hobby ever since I was a kid, probably 5-6 years old, and I've enjoyed it ever since. And I just want to share my hobby with all y'all out there. And if you don't have a channel, it's not hard to do. I do it from my phone, guys. All right, with that being said, big thank you to George. You know I love you, man. We've been friends for, God, 25, 30 years, whatever it's been now. It's been a long time. I've always looked up to him. He's been an inspiration to me in my young life and model building, and I still look up to him to this day. He's getting older, and I sure do try to get him to build a lot more than what he does, and I understand sometimes he don't feel like it and he don't feel good, but as long as I got blood in my veins, I'm going to keep him going. And I know y'all love our little set downs and our little interview with George and our talks and everything, and looking at some of his past builds and just talking about the hobby. The guy's been around for a long time. He knows the stuff when it comes to model building. He also knows the stuff when it comes to racing. He's been a round guy. He's owned cars. He's worked pits. I mean, the dude's done a little bit of everything. And so, with that being said, guys, y'all come to watch this unboxing. Here it is. It's the AMT open road camper van. The box is, needless to say, a little shot. Maybe one of these days I can get a new box, because you know I love to hold on to my vintage boxes. I'm going to build it, and I dang sure want to display it with the box. And even if I don't ever get another box for it, this box will do. I don't care how crusty it looks. It'll get displayed with it. There y'all see. This is a very sought after kit. It's never been reissued. Not saying it won't never get reissued. It's just never been reissued. Original kit. You can see all the stuff it's got there. It's got the mud tires in the back. It comes with custom wheels, comes with stock wheels. Very neat kit. You can build it other ways than just this way, but that's the way I will be building it right there. You can see right there, you can put the windows in it, be a window van right there. It can be a panel van, but this is the way it's going to be right there. Let's open this thing up. Try to get that box out of the way without tearing it up any more than what it is. And here's the decals, Gary. When I get a chance, I'll get these decals, a picture of them sent to you. That way you can make decals off of it, because I know you got a van just like this and you're itching to get started on it. So I'll snap a picture and get it to you soon, buddy. And by the way, there's the decals for it. There's another set of decals, but they're shot. They're pretty bad. These are remake decals right here. There's the decals. Let's get in the bottom of this box and get the instructions out first. Y'all know when I do an unboxing, I like to get the old instructions or the destructions out. Let's move that over to the side. You can see right there. It tells you all about it. Please read this before you begin. Number 1 starts with the engine. You can see right there, very nice looking engine. Got quite a bit of detail. You won't see much of it, but it's got quite a bit of detail. There's your wheel options. There's your chassis. There's putting the rest of the chassis together, your suspension, your differential, your exhaust. Here it is, putting the engine, the firewall, and all the drive shafts and the tow hitch on the back. And I haven't decided when I build this if I'm going to have a trailer behind it, an old race car, or what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure it out. There's the interior. There's your hump for it goes over your engine cover there. Your bucket seats. And it shows right here, putting the spare tire on the back. Let's see, rear windows, your curtains. And then this right here, your final assembly, is your camper top. Shows you all the steps for the interior. You can see there, it's got your stove and sink and just all kinds of neat stuff. That is going to be one fun build right there, guys. Trying to bring out all the detail in that. And another cool thing is it's got an actual opening hood, guys. You ain't gonna see much of the engine, but you can see a little bit of it. Even though you can't see much of it, I'll still wire it up. I won't feel complete unless I do. Alright, y'all, I probably should have opened these bags up and pre let y'all look and see what's in here, but let's just dump it all out. Oh man, that's a lot of parts. Here's your chassis plate or floor pan, whatever you want to call it. You can see right there the doors open, so you got your footsteps. It's got a little bit of molded. See if I can get that light on here a little bit better. See if y'all can see in here a little bit better. See if we can get some light on it. I don't know how good y'all can see. This lighting in here is terrible. Carpet's got a little bit of molding on it, so you can see a little texture. Let's throw that over to the side. Here is your exhaust. Very nice looking exhaust. Let's throw that over to the side there. Here is one half of your engine. Your manifolds, your gear shifter. Don't know what that is without looking. I'd say, oh, okay, it's cylinder head. Battery box, water pump. Not for sure what that is without looking at it. I know it's something to do with the, maybe, don't know for sure. There's your distributor, starter, your fan belts. There is your radiator shroud, probably bracing for the frame. Here's one of your side window inserts. There's your other one. Here is your window plates. I guess to block out if you don't want it the window, you want it the panel van. Same thing here. Let's see. This is your hood. Very nice. Hood hinge. Very nice. This is your dash. Got a little bit of flash on it. Or is, no, that ain't flash either. I was thinking that's flash. Just by this side of the camera I'm on, it looked like flash, but it's not. There is your engine cover, your center console. There is your firewall. Bring out a little bit of detail in that. Not for sure what all them little parts are until I go through the instructions. or destructions. That one there, I don't really know yet. That there is your steering box, steering column. Guys, there's so much miscellaneous stuff laying down here. There's your seats. That's one of them. There's your other. Spare wheel that goes on the back, or wheel cover. Not for sure what that is. Probably blanks out part of something in there. It's like a blanking cover. There's suspension parts. License plates. A lot of little miscellaneous. Couple of drive shafts. All your wheels, your stock wheels. Right here. All several stock wheels. You even got a wider. Come on now. Come in here. A wider back wheel. And then you got several or four of those smaller wheels. And then your wider back wheels. Your back covers. Right there. Your oil pan. Oh. Intake. Let's see. Your other engine part. Sorry guys, everything's kind of... There's your steering wheel. Your back differential. Front pieces. Your A-arms. Guys, there's all these little parts. I'm not going to go through them all. There's a bunch of little parts there. Here is your frame. Good looking frame. Let's see. Let's open this other bag up here. This is all interior parts. That's got wood grain on it, so it's probably part of one of the cabinet doors. More wood grain. You can see we're going to bring the wood grains out in that. That's going to be fun. There's a vent of some sort. All kinds of wood grain stuff. So it's your paneling. Here's more of your paneling. Not for sure what that is. If it's a gas tank or something. Here's your curtains. You can see right there. That's your curtains for your windows. Here's one of your back bench seats. Probably for a little table. Not for sure what that is. Maybe part of the commode. That might be the turlet. There's your turlet. More interior stuff. There's more right here. Look at your stove. Your cabinets. Cabinet doors. This is your top of your stove. Your sink. There's more. That looks like it goes over the wheel well for sure. Don't know for sure what cover that goes to. There's more stuff. Bunch of little miscellaneous stuff. Let's see. See what all's in this box. There's so much stuff in this box, guys. Here is your camper top. You can see right there. Here's the sides of your campers. Guys, I hope I'm not boring you to death. Not for sure what that is. Probably goes to the... Who knows? We'll find out. Guys, I don't ever promise to know everything or anything. What you see is what you get. You want to see the money shot? There's the money shot right there. You can see where the inserts go. You can make it panel, you make it a window van, or you can do the camper van. The top's already been cut out of it. It's got the top plate in there where it's been cut out. You have to cut that out yourself. You can see right there, there's their back doors. The scripts are really nice. You can see right here. Look at that. Chevy van. Beautiful. Here's your front. Your hood does open on this, not like the repops. Do not think they open on the repops, guys. There's some glass in here I'm not going to take out. There's more glass in there too. All the glass and everything's accounted for, and I will not take that out. Here's some extra parts, your spare wheels, your hub. There's one of your hub caps. There's amber lenses, red lenses, so you know, for all the lighting and stuff like that. I'm not taking that out of the parts. Here is your chrome tree. Very good chrome. You seen one of the wheels was in the bag and one of the hubcaps were in the bag. Look at that. All the parts are looking pretty good. You got your mirrors. You got all kinds of stuff there. All kinds of neat stuff. And then, of course, you got all your tires in here. Let me get them all out. There's the other tire. Stuck to more windows. Alright. You get two of these. Look at these mud tires right here. Those will go on the back of it. Yes, indeed, those will go on the back. And then you get 4 of your regular white wall tires. So 2 of those will go on the front. Of course, the other 2 won't. So, alright guys, that's about it for it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, George. Thank you to all my subscribers. And this will get built, the 3rd build. So, like I said, I got the shop truck on the bench. The RC, give it to me from the RCF, is next after that. And then this one right here will be after the bug. All right, guys. Thank you very much.